Happy Saturday. It's been a while since I've done like a weekend reset, so I figured we would spend the day together today. I've just been hanging out and working on some homework on the couch. I had started to get my master in business administration a few years ago and kind of just set it to the side. Well, now I've decided to pick it back up and I have a few courses that I need to take before I'm able to enroll in classes. So that's what I've been working on, but I'm about to heat up some breakfast. My mom and I actually went and got Italian food last night, so I'm gonna have some lasagna for breakfast. It's almost 11 o'clock, so it's kind of like a brunch, so I think that's acceptable. But I'm just gonna sit on the couch, work on my homework, eat my breakfast brunch, and watch some Meredith Louise. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce her middle name. But yeah, I have a lot that I would like to do today since we haven't been home the past couple weekends. We don't need too many groceries, but I might end up going to the grocery store today. I need to finish this last course that I have to take. I'd like to get a little bit of sun. We'll just see where the day takes us. We went to a local place in Garland, Texas called Base's Italian Food. And here I have some of the leftover lasagna and their delicious rolls. So I'm just gonna heat this up in the microwave. I finished my lasagna. I really picked around to just get the filling, and then I had one of those rolls as well. But now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go sit outside and get a little bit of sun while I continue to work on my classes. My one goal for today was to finish those classes, and I just got done, so I'm gonna spend the next 30 minutes to an hour picking up the house. Like I said, we haven't been home for the past couple weekends, so it feels good to finally have the time to clean up. Our house isn't a crazy disaster or anything like that, but I want to wash our blankets. I need to load the dishwasher up and just kind of pick up around the house, make things a little bit cleaner. That is gonna be just about the extent of my cleaning for the day. Once my husband gets home, I will take his dirty clothes along with the rest of our dirty clothes and wash those. Obviously, once the blankets are done and the sheets, I will move them over to the dryer and then put those back on the bed. Other than that, that is it for cleaning for the day. Once my husband does get home, we're going to get ready and then go on a little date night because today is our 6 months of being married, which is super exciting. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you stayed until the end, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.